ROCKUBOT, the world's best bacteria killing robot. With ultraviolet light and ultrasonic components that eliminate 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mites. It's equipped with 24 sensors. With its smart mapping and navigational intelligence, you can use it throughout its automatic walking mode. Simply put it on the top of your bed, flat and smooth, or a little bulgy and messy, ROCKUBOT can still do the work. Switch ROCKUBOT to its handheld mode to sanitize and disinfect any surface. As a power bank, plug in your cable, or charge your phone wireless. But as long as we have this pocket-sized buddy, no germs, bacteria, or viruses.
Let's do R1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Preparation. Firstly, place the charging base away from wall more than 5 cm. Turn on. Keep no obstacles within 1.2 meter ahead and 0.5 meter on both sides. Clean after the robot is charged fully. Mopping module. Disassemble the whole of mopping accessory. Soak the mop bracket and wring it out. Then embed and stick it back. Open the lid of water tank. Spin it and put it back. Assemble the mopping accessory to the rear of robot and remove it while charged or idle. How to use. Press the switch continuously for 3 seconds to turn on the robot. And press it shortly again to start clean. 2,000-pound large suction. Quick cleaning. Clean completely with accurate navigation and appropriate route regulation. Equipped with LDS 2.0 high-precision radar laser sensor to avoid obstacles conveniently. Hold on the home button, automatically calculate the best and fast cleaning path and pay more attention to dirtier areas. Pressing the switch briefly can stop while cleaning. When the robot is out of power, it can return automatically to the charging base. You also can press the home button to make it back to charge. You can also connect with the Mi Home app to control the robot and use it more conveniently. The dust container and filter can be cleaned. Open the dust container and you can take the filter and clean the surface with a brush. Then wash the dust container and assemble it back when it is dry. You need to replace the garbage bag when the indicator of the charging base shows orange. Open the lid, take out the garbage bag, replace a new one, and cover with the lid. Listo R1 Reusable Vacuum Cleaner. Enjoy your intelligent life.
The silicone water blade from Detailer's Preference makes it easy to dry windows and flat surfaces. The flexible, dual-edged blade pushes water off the car body, windows, or trim. It quickly wipes away large water drops to make towel or air drying fast and simple. You can even use it in your home for windows, mirrors, and more.